Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your Excel file with the help of password. So let's start the video. To protect your Excel file with the help of password, just select the Excel file that you want to put a password on. Now go to the file option here, and here go to the info option here, and you can see the option protect workbook. Click this option here. Click this option, and after clicking that you can see the option encrypt with password. Click that option, and now enter your password. Click OK, and now again re-enter your password and click OK. And now as you can see, this Excel file is password protected. Now if I close this one, now if I want to open this file, I need password to open it. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.